Hello everyone. Hi guys. Hello everyone. A very good morning to everyone here. Yep, I'll wait for a minute for others to join in and then we'll be starting. Good morning, Ashish. Good morning, Anita, Manish. Okay, I can see a lot of folks have joined in. Good morning, Sushma, Priya, Yuvraj, RK. Hi everyone. How are you guys doing? Doing good? Everyone can hear me, right? My voice is audible to everyone? Yes? Perfect, perfect, perfect. So how was like the last session last weekend? How was it? Great to see me again. Yeah, same here, guys. I actually confirmed. Yeah, yeah. Thanks, guys. Same here. Great to see you again. I confirmed from the organizers as well that if there's the same batch with which I took the personal AI assistant, and I'm very happy that I'm back in this particular batch, and I'll be teaching this particular topic of customer support with RAG. Did you guys like the previous session, the personal AI assistant one? How was it? You loved it? Perfect, perfect, great, great, great. Today's session it will be even better because in the last session I taught you about building your own personal AI assistant. In today's session, I will be teaching you how could you monetize NA10. Let's suppose you are planning to create your own startup, your anything of that sort, your own company, and you want to create an AI agent for that. So just think it of like a personal that will be like standing behind your company, will be answering all the queries and all these things. So we will be building some that kind of AI agent, and this is not something that is personal. This is something that could add a huge business value. So yep. Without NA10, is this possible? Yes. Without NA10 also this is possible. We can create it using coding as well. But again, it would take a huge amount of time. NA10 has made it simpler. Yes, Zapier is also there. We can use Zapier, we can use NA10. But comparing to any of these tools like Zapier, Make or NA10, NA10 is one of the best tool. For those of you who don't know what Zapier is a similar tool just like Anytime where we can create AI agents. Okay, perfect. I can see all the folks has already joined in. So, hi everyone. Hi again. I am here back with one more session with you guys. And as I already mentioned just few minutes back that today's session's gonna be a really exciting session because in this session we will be creating a AI agent that could add a huge business value. Okay, that can add some good amount of value to your business, to your firm, and that's what I am planning to do today. So, are you guys excited for learning this new session, a new workflow, a new AI agent with me? I am pretty much excited. Can I see your excitement by writing EX in chat? Could you write EX in chat? I'll also be writing because I am also excited about this session. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Great guys, great. Okay. Full excited. I can see all the excitement flowing in the chat. I want this much of excitement till the end of the session. You already know that these sessions are generally long, and it's like I try to keep it short, but at the end of the day, my personal focus is to make sure that everyone in this session understands the workflow in everyone's machine it is running. Okay, which is the reason why sessions could go little longer, but we'll try to make sure that kind of to time box it. Okay, we'll try to make sure that it doesn't kind of um or like extend a lot. Okay, that's what we would be trying. Okay, I can see most of the folks has already joined, so let's just get started. Just give me a minute. I'll start with sharing my screen. Perfect, perfect. I'll make sure from my side effort should be 100%, but I want from your side also full attention. Can you promise this thing? Full attention? Yes? Perfect, perfect. So it works two-way, and I'm really happy to be back here again. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, let me start sharing my screen. Okay. Guys, can you see my screen? Yes? Yes, 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 yes. Perfect, perfect. Okay. Considering most of you can see my screen, let's just get started. So, the topic for today's session is Customer Support Agent, Part 1 by Swapnil Narayan. And most of you guys already know me. For those of you who are new here, hello everyone, I am Swapnil, and I'm currently working as a software engineer at Microsoft. And I'm a graduate from IIT ISM Dhanbad. That's about me. I'm a very passionate programming instructor. I take these sessions on agentic AI, Power BI, Python, machine learning, data science, and all these topics really excites me. And I believe in the thing called sharing is caring. So whatever I learn, whatever I get to know about the industry, I try to make sure that I communicate this to all my students, to all my audience. That's what I believe in. So this is all about me. And let's see about you guys as well. I can see a lot of folks have joined in. Where are you joining from? So right now I am in Pune and I'm joining from Pune. What about you guys? Where are you joining from? Oh, another some people from Pune, Bangalore. Bangalore is my home. Nice. Nagpur, Baroda, Pune again, Hyderabad, Chennai. Milan from okay. Shilpa Kochi, Preeti Agra. Nice, nice, great. I can see a lot of chat flowing in. That's great. This is what we want, okay, throughout the session. Perfect, perfect. We have some folks from New York as well. That's great. Colleen. Okay, Shabaz from Pune. Nice. Hari Krishnan from Kochi. Rohit from Gurgaon. Avinav Lucknow. Okay, someone saying Epstein. Okay, perfect, perfect. Nashik, Kolkata, great, 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 guys. Great to see that folks from all around the country, from US, Germany, also joining in. That's great. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. As so, that's great. Perfect. So this is the topic for today's session, guys, and I'm pretty much sure that you guys are excited for today's session. You guys already know that all my sessions have a proper flow, right? I believe in making sure that these sessions that we are having, we what we want is firstly your learning should be 100%. So what used to happen is earlier when I used to take the sessions, I used to kind of explain you, and you used to do the same thing at that time only. But this way what happens is you guys lose the context. In our previous session also we discussed this thing, so I am extending this concept which I like executed in the previous session. So what we'll be doing is 1.5 to 2 hours. I'll try to time box it in 1.5 hours only. What I want you guys is to just watch and learn with full attention. I don't want you guys to follow along. Okay, I don't want you guys to do hands on for the first 1.5 to 2 hours. This way, what will happen is for the first 1.5 to 2 hours, you will be able to understand each and everything. Your understanding should be 100%. During the understanding time, during the learning hour, please don't do hands on. Why? Because otherwise, what will happen is you'll switch the Zoom class and then go to NA10 or wherever you would be taking notes or something. What will happen is you will lose something like what I did. I might have explained something. You would lose that thing. I don't want personally like that you guys miss any kind of understanding. What we will be doing is after the learning hour is completed, we will be having a dedicated project hours where we'll be doing hands-on session. I will be explaining the same thing which I have explained over here in a detailed manner and much slower pace. Why? Because in the project hours, our focus should be all the workflows that we will be creating that should be running in your machine as well. Do you think this will be a great plan of execution for today's session? What do you think, guys? Okay, obviously we'll be trying to time box it for sure, but do you agree with me that for the first 1.5 to 2 hours you will not do any coding, or by coding I mean you won't be doing any kind of execution? Whatever you will be doing, we will be doing in the project hours. For the 1.5 to 2 hours during the learning hours, just watch, see how things are happening. In the project hours, we'll be doing it together. Perfect. Okay. Amazing. Amazing. So let's just get started. This is the best way. अच्छा है ये? Perfect. Perfect. Great. Awesome. So the topic starts with what exactly we will be building today. What do you think? What we will be building today? Any guesses? Some people are saying RAG. Nice. Okay. RAG is something that obviously. What is coming to RAG? I'll come to RAG later, a little bit later. Firstly, tell me what we'll be building today. Like anything, like whatever you guys think would be right. Obviously, we'll be building an AI agent, right? Correct, correct, correct. We'll be building an AI agent which supports customer queries. Correct? This is what a customer support AI agent should do. An AI agent that supports customer queries. These customer queries could be different kind of things like order something. Queries could be different queries like order something, okay? Or maybe like some questions, some doubts, questions, doubts, right? Customer could be having some questions, doubts, correct? Or maybe what the customer wants is to check something, check status or something. These could be the customer queries, right? What do you think? These could be potential customer queries. Everyone agrees with me? Yeah, like refund. Okay, what else? What do you think? Order something, some questions or doubts, check status, refund. What else? What do you think? Availability, yes, check availability, correct? Solution to problem, or something of this sort. Okay, request service. What else? One more thing that you guys are missing is report. Report anything bad product. Report bad product. Do you agree with me? This is one of the most important part, that if I am talking to any customer support, reporting that product is something that is very much important. Reviews and all these things. So this is what is can be called as a proper customer support agent. And this is what is the target for today's session. I will be helping you creating this kind of a agent which can actually support all the customer queries, all of these sorts. Okay, where we will be providing the customer a chat. Okay, where customer can chat with the agent. Okay, and like ask for any of these queries. Okay, any support queries, whatever the customer is having, they could ask for this, and this is what we will be targeting for today's session. So are you convinced enough that today's session is gonna be really exciting? Why did I say that we could monetize this particular agent as well? Why? Because let's suppose you are planning to create some business going forward. You are planning to create some business. For example, you are planning to create like open a restaurant. Okay, how many of you wants to open a restaurant? Somewhere or the around, we most of us must have thought that we'll open a new restaurant of our own, where we will be like doing some business. At least all my folks from Gujarat, my friends are from Gujarat, and they always think of this sort that, bro, so doing job is fine, but I gonna go ahead and do some business for sure. Okay, so yeah, not only folks from Gujarat, most of us must have thought of this thing that yes, we will be building a restaurant or something of this sort. So obviously, when we will be building a restaurant, obviously we need to make sure that we need to go ahead and do delivery. Everyone agrees? Now, obviously, if we are going ahead with delivery, most of the restaurants, what they do is obviously dine-in is there, but delivery is something that is an additional effort. So what they do is they go ahead and ask the same thing with Swiggy and Zomato, right, or other food delivery applications. This is something we are creating problem. No, no. Yes, you can say like that, but obviously, Lalan, at the end of the day, going forward, if you guys are thinking that if we will be building these things, obviously jobs will be gone. But with the onset of AI, if you won't be building it, your job will be gone. Do you agree with me? Obviously, jobs in the job market, things could obviously things won't be same as before. Things just think it of like that most of the delivery when Swiggy and Zomato came up, people were saying that all the local restaurants and all will lose their jobs. But what they did is they innovated. They made sure that they participate with Swiggy, Zomato, and delivery agents got the job. Same thing happens over here as well. You need to make sure to innovate. If something is coming in the market, some technology is coming in the market, if you are not progressing with that thing, you will be lagging behind. Others job will still be secured, your job will be at risk. Okay, which is the reason why as a team, as a family of B10X, we come here, we make sure that we take you forward to a level that you guys are understanding each and every thing. You guys are understanding how to create all these setup, and this is the reason why I have come with this particular thing where we can monetize this whole concept as well. Okay. I can see one more thing. We can make customer support agent in website also. Yes, you can do it with website also. Comes in. Okay. So this is what I was talking about. Let's suppose delivery and all these things. So when we are supporting delivery, let's suppose I don't want to participate Swiggy and Zomato. I want to create something of my own because Swiggy Zomato takes a lot of commission. Everyone agrees that if I want to kind of skip the commission that is taken by Swiggy and Zomato, can I build something of my own? And this is not only restricted to restaurant. It could be anything, like any business, like you're opening a restaurant or you're opening an IT consultancy. You are opening a like shop where you are selling laptops and devices and all these things. You need like setup where if a customer presents a query, if a customer presents a query like this product was not good, or maybe a customer presents a query that I want to order this much of items, all these things are taken care of. Yeah, online music classes also, Kanchan, a very good example. So let's suppose you are opening an online music classes, so you need to if you want, you can integrate a chat application over there in order to make sure if someone comes and asks questions about your music classes, that what are the timings of music classes, what are the slots, when are the batches, what type of music do you teach, and all these things, all these queries are not handled by you. Because let's suppose, just think it of like for any business, just think it when the customers will be 10 or 20, you can answer the queries, right guys? Astrology consultation, textile business, when customers are 10 or 20, you can go ahead, you can sit and answer all the customer queries. Everyone agrees this is pretty much possible. But when the customer increases to 1000, or let's suppose 10,000, or millions of customers, sky is the limit, guys. Why think that we only be having 10 or 20 customers? Think it of like we'll be having 1,000, 10,000, 20,000 customers. So in such cases, it is pretty much hard in order to resolve all the customer queries by yourself. So what we can do is we can create an AI agent which can do that task for us. Okay, which can do the task of getting the orders, adding the orders in a sheet, right? Like we can maintain a dashboard where we will be adding whatever the order has come up. Okay, let's suppose not only restaurant, maybe like IT consultancy or music classes or anything of that sort, some order has come up. So we need to make sure that whatever customer is ordering from their phone or Gmail or whatever, that is like properly collected and presented in my dashboard so that I can see that this much of queries has come up and this is how it is being answered. And this is what I am trying to build today. Is it clear with everyone? I can explain again because this is a very beautiful problem that we are trying to solve and a very important business problem. I am saying that we can literally skip one level. We can literally have one AI agent answering all the customer queries on our behalf. Okay, taking orders, like sharing any information and all these things. Okay, this is what we will be building today. So Roop, you haven't missed much. We were just discussing what we're going to build. So we're going to build an AI agent which supports customer queries, and that could be anything like ordering some things, asking some questions, checking status, refund, checking availability, solution to a problem, request service, report bad product, anything. Whatever the customer wants, my AI agent should be able to do that. How exactly we will be building this? What do you think, guys? What do you think? How exactly we will be building this? We will be building this using N8N. Now, most of you have attended my session on personal AI assistant in N8N. Even if you haven't, I will be showing you around what N8N is, so that's totally fine. How to practice what you will teach, 14-day trial period already expired for N8N. A very good thing. So most of you already know that N8N is having 14 days trial period, right? Everyone, yes. And for some of you, it might have been expired. So what I would recommend is use another account, a Google account, or you can create Google account with same phone number as well, and that will also support a new N8N account. Okay, what you want is you just want a new account, new email ID or Google or new number, and log in with that and create a new account, because there is no other alternative, guys. N8N only provides 14 days free trial period. Even I do the same thing. And if you are very serious about this, if you are planning to like host your business using N8N, like all these AI agents that we are creating, if you really want to kind of make sure that you're using it day to day wise, then I would recommend you can go ahead and buy N8N premium subscription as well. Okay. And if your credits are expired, I would highly recommend you creating this thing like a new account. Okay. If your credits are expired, please create a new account, guys. Okay. Companies uses N8N. Yes. We as a company use N8N as well. Perfect. Great. Now I saw a question, Swapnil. Today the topic was customer support agent with RAG, right? But you mentioned we'll be doing N8N. So what is the difference between N8N and RAG? How many of you does have this particular question? So Microsoft doesn't use N8N. Microsoft uses Copilot Studio. It's pretty much the same thing. Very much same. What are the other tools available like N8N? N8N, Zapier. N8N is there, Zapier is there, Copilot Studio is there, and all these things. Okay. Make is there. Very good. Okay, so coming back to my question, some folk asked that N8N and RAG, what is the difference? So for those of you who don't know what is N8N, N8N is a tool in order to create workflows, okay, in order to create AI agents. Now, some people are asking why aren't we using Zapier? N8N is somewhere or the around better than Zapier because it provides us a lot of flexibility at a level where we are building AI agent for answering the customer queries. We want a level of flexibility that Zapier doesn't provide. So personally, I like N8N better, and I would highly recommend you to focus on learning any one tool properly, and you can do it with Zapier also if you want. That's your call. Okay. Now coming to what N8N is, I already mentioned N8N is a tool for creating AI agent using workflows, whereas RAG is a way, a process. RAG, the full form of RAG is retrieval augmented generation. The full form of RAG is retrieval augmented generation. What do we mean by RAG? So let's suppose I'll explain RAG. How many of you wants to understand RAG? Because understanding RAG will go little bit towards the technical side. Yes, me. Perfect, perfect. So I will go ahead and I'll explain RAG to you. Firstly, RAG, what is the full form? It's retrieval augmented generation. It's a technique that enhances large language model accuracy by relevance fetching external up-to-date data before generating a response. What does this particular uh, definition means? I'll just copy this definition because this would be helpful for you guys to understand this. Okay, where did the text thing go? Okay, what we will do is we will extend this a little so that it is visible to you guys. Oh man. Okay, now I think it's better. Perfect. So we were understanding what exactly is RAG, right? I will zoom it a little bit more. Okay. So RAG, that is retrieval augmented generation, is a technique that enhances large language model accuracy and relevance by fetching external up-to-date data before generating a response. Now you must have said that Swapnil, you just copied this from Gemini and you are saying this thing. We didn't understand anything. Is that right? I am expecting this only. That yes, we didn't understand anything. You just gave us the definition. This is not done. I'm not gonna go ahead and buy this definition that RAG is just a technique that enhances large language model and all these things. This is just like a chatur level definition. So we don't want. We want to become Ranchordas. So what we will do is we will understand each and everything properly. For that, what we will do is we will understand this whole workflow of RAG. Okay, perfect. So what RAG does, guys, is let's suppose there is this black box. Now I do any kind of query, and this is my AI agent. This is my AI agent. So what happens is when I query an AI agent, what do we get? Output. Just normal, like normal thing I'm asking. Like when we go ahead and go to Chat GPT, what happens? I do a query and I get a response. Everyone agrees with me? Till this, okay, you want me to reduce the thickness? I can do that. Okay, I think this is better. So just think it of this as an AI agent, and we do a query and we get a response. Till here, everyone is clear? No doubt. We generally go ahead and do it multiple times. We go to Gemini, we go to Claude, we go to multiple different kind of AI. Okay, perfect. We don't have any doubt. Now, let's suppose there is a case where I want Chat GPT or any kind of LLM to refer to a document. Most of the cases, what we do is we want in some of the cases we have a proper document where a lot of information is there, and what we want is our AI to go through this and then give us the answer. Have we done this? Like I am doing a query, but I want AI to specifically go through this document and then give me response. In some of the cases where I have a proper document, like let's suppose for a company only, we have FAQs, right? Frequently asked questions, or let's suppose company policies. So if someone wants to know about company policies or something like that, we are expecting AI to first read the company policies and then give the response. Is it right, everyone? Correct? So far, so clear. I want you guys to be ultimately clear about all these things. So please respond. Perfect. Now, This is what is known as RAG. We have been using RAG for so long, but we don't know actually it is known as RAG. RAG means that whenever AI doesn't have that specific understanding, we will be providing AI to that particular knowledge so that AI, whenever it doesn't have specific knowledge, it will go to that document, it will go to that knowledge center, bring that knowledge before generating the responses. This is known as retrieval augmented generation. Means AI will be retrieving the data from a document, and finally after that it will be generating the response based on the this thing. RAG means RAG is not providing data. RAG is the technique with which AI goes through a whole document. Let's suppose this document is 1000 pages. This document is 1000 pages. So obviously, if we will go ahead and ask AI to read 1000 pages, and then I will go ahead and do a query, right? Then do you think that AI will be again going through 1000 pages and then generating the response? What do you think? AI is not a human, right? AI is very smart. What AI does is AI breaks down this whole document into multiple parts, and based on our query, AI queries that particular document and finally generates the response. In order to make sure this whole thing is very fast, AI doesn't go through 1000 or 10,000 pages. If I'll be providing 10,000 pages document, AI will not be going through all these things, right? AI will be breaking down that particular document into chunks, okay, into different parts, and then based on that it will be generating the response. Okay, is it clear what is RAG, everyone? RAG is nothing but, I will quickly repeat what is RAG. RAG is nothing but making sure that my AI agent, if I query my AI agent with something internal to my company, if I query something very much internal. So see, if I will ask what is the capital of India, that is a generic knowledge. AI will be having that knowledge. But if I will ask you what is the refund policy of my company, will AI will be able to answer that? If my query is what is the refund policy of my company, AI will not be able to answer that until and unless I will be providing AI agent with a knowledge of my company policy. And this whole idea of doing a query where AI is getting data from somewhere else before generating the response is known as retrieval augmented generation. And going back to the definition of AI agent again, going back to the definition again, let's read out this definition again. What does the definition says? Retrieval augmented generation is a technique. Retrieval augmented generation is a technique that enhances large language model accuracy and relevance by fetching external up-to-date data before generating the response. Now, are you guys convinced that this definition is correct? Is it clear now? This is the whole idea, making sure that whatever the definition is, you understand it. Whatever the definition is, you understand the whole thing. This is the idea, guys. Perfect. Let me share this with you guys. This definition, let me copy and paste in the chat. Perfect. I am happy that you guys have finally understood. And this is golden level knowledge, guys. Trust me, whatever I am explaining, this is super important. Now, you might be thinking, Swapnil, is it that much important? Because I am not a techie person. I am not a techie person. Why should I know all these things? What is RAG and all these things when I can simply build it using any10? Why? Because even though at the surface level you won't be needing all this information, but it's my duty that you guys understand till the depth. If someone will ask you what you, okay, you are implementing RAG, but what is RAG? You will say, hey man, this is a good question, but I don't know what is RAG. I know how to implement it, but I don't know what exactly it is. This is a downgrade. We don't want that kind of a learning where we don't know things, we only know how to implement. No, we don't want that kind of understanding. We will go ahead and make sure that whatever we are understanding in depth. Okay, perfect. RAG will retrieve internal document or from internet. RAG will retrieve internal document. Whatever document you are providing. If it is on internet also, that's fine. Like it's about the knowledge that you are providing. Let's suppose you are providing AI agent one website and you want it to get it from there. Again, that means it's from internet only, right? I am answering Thiru Ni Thirunirai Selvi. Okay. It could be from internet also, it could be from internal document also. It means that a specific location where AI should go ahead and query in order to answer my query in a better way. That's the idea. Perfect. So now that we have understood this whole concept, how this every time chat gpt and data update, I don't understand the question, sorry. Can we use RAG in techniques like Microsoft Copilot as well? Yes, Microsoft Copilot also uses RAG. All the LLM models uses RAG. Otherwise what will happen is when there will be thousands and thousands of pages, it won't be possible for AI agent to go through it. A very good question by Sri Vidya. Can I have preparation for my son easy for JEE using this? Yeah, why not? You can create an AI agent which is trained with the knowledge of JEE. This means that I will you can create an AI agent with a knowledge base of all the books of JEE. Let's suppose all the famous books of IIT JEE, you can upload it, and using RAG, that AI agent will be fetching and giving answers to your son. Okay, let's suppose your son gives this is the problem, I don't understand this. So AI agent will go through that knowledge center which you have provided and then will be giving that perfect answer. Okay, perfect, perfect. What is your question, Dipanshu? I will be taking some questions for the next 2-3 minutes before we go ahead and implement it. So I'll be taking some questions. Can we use the RAG in knowledge base in IT? You mean like IT knowledge? Yes, why not? Yes, we can do that. Is RAG techniques works if we have Copilot Studio license? Yes, Copilot also works on RAG only. I am taking some questions for the next 5 minutes, guys, before we start implementing this whole thing. Can be used for cloth business? Yes, why not? You can create an agent for your cloth business. Can we use RAG? Okay, for non-tech, show how it will be easy and quick to learn. Yes, I'll be showing you the whole implementation, Gunjan. Okay, so don't worry at all. Can we use ServiceNow or Git? Sorry, or shared path? Yes, yes, why not? Yes, you can do that as well. Any kind of knowledge you can add. Can I attach a DB or GitHub as knowledge base for RAG? Yes, you can do that as well. What kind of AI agent can I build with respect to my work? Let's say I'm tech department. So again, that completely depends on if you want to create an AI agent for your personal use. Then I already have a section on personal AI assistant. For let's suppose your technical doubts or something like that. So what you can do is you can create an AI agent which can have a knowledge center of all the technical things. Let's suppose Node.js documentation, React.js documentation, or whatever specific thing you want, the AI should be knowing, and then use the AI agent for creating code. There are so many AI agents. If you will see, I will show you. Like there are so many LLMs built on proper knowledges, like Hugging Face. If you will go to Hugging Face, you will see there are multiple LLMs trained on all these things, multiple models for specific things, right? So you can check this out. It goes little bit towards the technical side, but this is how things works. Like for proper coding or something, there are codecs, Gamma for PPT generation, and multiple things. Okay, Code Llama and all these things. So all these things are there already. Perfect. I'm just answering the queries, guys. You need not know all these things. Final set of queries I'll be answering now. If you attach the info of multiple departments, does this technique ensure that one department data is not disclosed? Yes, that is ensured for sure. We can also create AI agents and upload to Hugging Face. Yes, so you can create models and upload to Hugging Face as well. Yes. What is your question, Prashant? It might have been like gone up. So I'm trying my best to go through all the questions, guys, because a lot of questions are flowing in the chat. Can we create different folders for different docs? Yes, you can do that as well. How we register AI bot to Maltbot? Okay, again, Maltbot is a little bit different topic, so I'll be not taking it up. I would recommend you to ask this in Q&A session. That there you will be getting a lot of better idea about Maltbot. Okay, but yes, you can do that. That's a very good thing. It's great that you know about it. In automation tester, in which way they will be helpful for me and my work? I'm an automation tester, so you can maybe like create a workflow or something. Prashant is asking, can we have SSO or user ID and PWD authentication for website or link? For you mean the AI agent? Yes, you can create the authentication. Okay, I can see I have answered a lot of questions. So sorry if your question is missed. I tried my best to answer as many as possible. Now we'll time box it and we'll go to the implementation. So are you guys excited for creating the implementation, guys? Are you guys excited? AI with software model when start? I don't understand the question. Okay, perfect. Please, 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 no more questions, guys. Please focus now. I'll be going to N10 and I'll start everything from scratch. So I have already explained you in my previous sections how to sign in and all these things in N10. Does anyone have doubt at least with this part that how to go ahead with the sign in and all these things? Is there anyone? You can write no if you don't have any doubt. I will just check the chat. If there anyone who doesn't know how to come till this step, please write me. Okay, perfect. I'll quickly show you around. Obviously, we won't be taking a lot of time in doing the this part because we have already kind of covered this in our previous sessions. So I will not take much time around this. We'll try to time box it so that we cover the important parts. So what I'll do is let me show you. Let me first sign out. So guys, when you go to NA10, what's the first thing you will be able to see? When you go to NA10, okay, this is what you are able to see. Okay, na10.io. I don't want you guys to follow along with me. I'm just showing you around how things works. Okay, everyone ready? From here, we will be starting our learning hours, where I will be explaining you the whole thing. Ready, everyone? Full attention. Please make sure your phone is like on silent mode or whatever flight mode, because I don't want your attention going anywhere else. Full attention over here. What we will be doing is we'll be first clicking on sign in. From here, we will be clicking on sign in. So for those of you who already have an account, you can click on sign in. For those of you who doesn't have an account, or let's suppose your trial period is over, you can click on get started. And when you click on get started, there will be like a whole thing like this, start a free trial coming up. So what you need to do is you need to add your company email. Now it's not like you have to add your company email only. You can write any email, like any email, abc@gmail.com, whatever your mail ID is. ABC123, any random thing. And then it will be like this, the whole sign in process. And if you click on start free trial, then obviously it will be asking you to like do the login and all these things. I have already done the login, so I'll directly do the sign in. Okay, so I'm directly doing the sign in because I have already done the login. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, it's asking this. So, for those of you who already have kind of account, you can go ahead and sign in. I don't know this asking for sign in. Let me check. So I am showing you from 100% scratch. For those of you who doesn't have any account, you can click on get started. And if you don't have account, then only do all these things. If you already have an account, just click on login and sign in. Okay. Let me sign in by doing. I don't remember my password. I think I have to generate it. There was an option of this thing. Let's check. Mom's Magic BLR. Send magic link. So I'll be logging in using the magic link. I'll go to my mail ID and we will log in using the magic link. So just in case you don't remember your password or something like that, you can generate a magic link from NA10 and this is how you will be able to kind of go ahead and log in. And finally, we are here again back to our overview page where we can see whatever workflows that you have created, it will be visible over here. Okay. Now, do you want to see a quick demo of what we will be building? How many of you want to see a quick demo of what we will be building? A quick demo before I start everything. Okay, I will show you. I will show you the demo. Okay. So guys, we will be building an agent like this. You can see I have created an agent for my restaurant, which I'm planning to kind of open. The name of the restaurant is Mom's Magic, and you can see this is how my agent looks like. This is what you will be building. What do you want me to type here? Like welcome to Mom's Magic, Ghar ka swad, maa ka pyar, and all these things is written. So I'll write a hi. Let's see if it works. I'm just showing you what we will be building in the next few hours. You see, there is a proper chat that is coming up. Welcome to Mom's Magic. How can I help you? Options for you are: do you want to place an order? View menu. Do you want to have like any questions or anything? Do you want to check stock? By the way, don't miss our chef's special English breakfast. 2 plates available. What you like to have? So I'll write I want to place an order. Like normal chat I can do with the AI agent. So great. What's your name, please? I'll write my name is Swapnil. Hi, Swapnil. What food would you like to order? You can choose from English breakfast, veg sandwich, masala omelette, and more. So I will ask it to show me the menu. Show me the menu. A whole interactive thing. Isn't it amazing? See how this whole chatbot is interacting with me. You can integrate it with WhatsApp as well. Trust me, I'm not kidding. You can integrate this whole thing. You can create a proper website as well, or you can integrate with WhatsApp as well. So it's showing here is what we have available. So it's showing the numbers also. How what exactly we are having. It's showing a star near English breakfast because it is recommended. Okay. And it says sorry, samosa is currently out of stock. So what I'll do is I will try to order. I want to order let's suppose upma, it shows 2 plates. What will happen if I'll say 3 plates of upma? What will happen? What do you think? What will happen if I'll write I want to order 3 plates of upma? Let's see what happens. Like a random thing, just like an interaction. It says, sorry, Swapnil, we have only 2 plates of upma available, but you ordered three. Would you like to order 2 plates instead or choose something else from the menu? So I'll write, I will order 2 plates of upma and 1 plate of poha jalebi. Okay. All the poha jalebi folks, give me a bye. Okay. So it says, got it. Order summary so far. Upma 2 plates, poha jalebi 1 plate. Is that correct? Should I proceed with placing your order? I will write yes, please. A whole interface is what we will be creating today. And let's see how it works. It is giving the order, it is placing the order, it is taking time. It says your order is confirmed. Upma 2 plates and poha jalebi 1 plate. Thanks for ordering from Mom's Magic. If you want to add more or need anything else, just let me know. Now that this order is done, let's suppose I am the owner of the restaurant and some customer has ordered. What is the expectation from my side? What is the now? How many of you want to check if 2 plates and 1 plate is deducted from the menu or not? Because 2 plates of upma is there and poha jalebi 4 plates are there. How many of you want to see if it got deducted or not? Do you want to see that, guys? Show me the menu. Let's see. Let's see. You see, poha jalebi became 3 plates and upma went out of stock. This is what rag is, guys. This is what rag is. It literally updated the menu as well. Poha jalebi got deducted from 4. It was 4 if you'll see. Poha jalebi was 4 and upma was 2. I ordered both the plates of upma. So it's saying upma and samosa are currently out of stock and poha jalebi is done. Now, some people are asking, obviously, owner should also get notification. As an owner of the restaurant, what is my expectation? My expectation is if someone orders from the chatbot, okay, payment, let's keep it aside for now. Just think it of if someone orders from my chatbot, I should be getting the notification, right? Otherwise, what is the meaning of this chatbot? It doesn't have any meaning if I am not getting the notification. Everyone agrees? Correct? Yes? Yes? Okay. Let's see if the notification has come or not. I'll go to Mom's Magic Sheet, the master sheet. I'll go to orders, and you will be able to see 2 orders over here, which is done today. Swapnil, Poha Jalebi, 1 plate. Swapnil, Upma, 2 plates with the date. Isn't it amazing? The order is coming over here. You want to try once more? Let's try once more. You still are not convinced? Let's see. Let's do one more. One quick recap. So I want to order 2 English breakfast plates. English breakfast plates. Perfect. What it will do? It will say great choice. May I have your name? I will take one name from the chat. Whose name do you want me to take? Guys, whoever responds first, Priya. Okay, Priya is the name. Priya responded first, guys. Okay, so I'll take Priya's name. Perfect, perfect. Let's see. A very good question by Ashish. What if someone misspelled the product name? So it says your order is confirmed. English breakfast, 2 plates. Thanks, Priya. Let's see if it has come or not. You see, Priya, English breakfast 2, today's order confirmed. Isn't it amazing, guys? I just did, and real time it is updating this whole sheet. You can now, are you convinced that you can monetize it? Are you convinced enough that you can go ahead and monetize it? You can create your own restaurant and create this kind of a surface. And a very good thing. Some people are asking, let's suppose I misspelled something. Like, let's suppose what misspelling you want me to do? Okay, I want to order let's suppose what misspell. Yeah, okay. Someone is asking, let's suppose paneer pakoda. Just write PANEERT, paneer pakota. Okay, let's write this, and let's write when sandwich. Let's see if it works or not. I haven't tried it, but let's see if kind of misspelling is done. So 2 paneer pakoda and 1 veg sandwich or whatever. I'll place the order. Let's see if it works or not. Just a quick check. I noticed couple of typos. Did you mean paneer pakoda and veg sandwich? It is a AI agent, guys. You can't fool around it. It is not a normal chatbot which will just randomly misspell anything. It will ask you all these things. It's an interactive LLM that we are talking about, guys. It's not a random chatbot that we are talking about. I will write yes. Let's see if it places the order. Let's see. So your order is confirmed. Paneer pakoda 2, veg sandwich 1. Let's go ahead and let's see. It remembered my name. This is the fun part. I told that my name is Priya, and it remembered it for this order as well. It shows Priya, veg sandwich 1, Priya, paneer pakoda 2, and the order is confirmed. Are you guys excited and convinced enough that this is an amazing project that we can add in our resume? Payments and all these things, obviously, you can go ahead and integrate. You can share the payment link over here as well. That is something that is easy. The main part is creating such kind of an interface. How many of you wants to create this and add this particular project in your resume? Yes, you can do multiple projects at the orders at the same time. We just did that. Yes. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Perfect, guys. Superb. Yes, for address and all these things, also you can ask that what is your address and all these things. So that is something that we can keep on improvising. Okay, we can add one, let's suppose address field also over here and ask the user to give the address also. I didn't add the address because it will unnecessarily like ask a lot of things, which is the reason why I wanted to keep it very simple and clean, which is the reason why I didn't add address. But if you want, we can add address as well. Okay. Now, should we go ahead and create this whole thing, create this whole setup? What do you think, guys? Do you want me to show you how this can be created? How many of you wants to create this? Yes, let's do this. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Amazing. Great to see. Amazing. So, what's the first thing that we'll be doing? We will be creating a new workflow for that. We'll be creating a new workflow. Let's create it. Okay. We will be seeing like a scratch. We are doing everything from scratch. What should I name our chatbot? What do you think, guys? Any good name? Any good name for my chatbot? Let's do it. Okay. Zwigato. Perfect. Let's name it Zwigato. Good one. So I named it Zwigato. Why Zwigato? Zomato, Swiggy, Zomato, Zwigato. Okay. I have named it this only. The restaurant name is we'll keep it Mom's Magic only for simplicity. So what exactly we'll be doing is what's the first trigger that we'll be creating? So from where exactly we will be getting the orders from? What do you think? User, user in order to initiate this thing, we want one trigger. I explained this to you in our previous session also that whenever we want an AI agent to run, what's the first thing that we want? Remember, guys, the first thing that we want is a trigger. That how exactly this whole workflow will be triggered. How exactly my AI agent will start. Let me quickly first like stop the old one. Otherwise, it will be like, let me unpublish this. The old one, I'll just unpublish. Okay, guys? Because I don't want unnecessary attention here. Perfect. So coming back to our Zagato, you don't need to kind of focus anything. So we will be creating one trigger first from which our chatbot will start. So for the start, for simplicity, what I will be doing is I will be using the chat trigger. I will be using chat trigger by this thing, by n8n only. So what I will do is I will start with my first node and that node will be nothing but chat trigger. So I have chosen chat trigger and I will not do anything. So this node is done. We have created our first node. Is it clear? Our first node, what I'll do is I'll do it again. I clicked on add first step. What is first step? First step is how do you want to trigger the flow? What triggers this flow? So I said chat trigger triggers the flow. So I'll search for chat trigger. I'm not doing Gmail trigger, WhatsApp trigger, or anything for now. For simplicity, I'm just showing you how to do it with chat trigger. Okay, perfect. Chat trigger clear with everyone? Let's try to see if this chat trigger is working fine or not. How to test that? What we will do is we will click on open chat and we'll write hi. If we are able to see there is a green tick coming here. If you remember green tick, what does green tick means, guys? What does green tick means? Green tick means success. That this is successful, and we can see our chat input is coming perfectly fine. We are getting high. This means it is running perfectly fine. Okay. We are not using any Telegram trigger for now in order to make sure that our major focus is not on chat trigger, but major focus is creating the whole workflow, which is the reason why I created it using chat trigger. Okay. Now, what is the next step that we do? What's the next step that we do? You guys tell me. AI agent. Yes, AI agent. So what I'll do is I'll click on this and I'll select AI agent because whatever chat that I am getting, I want to give it to an AI agent, right? Now, I'll not do anything over here. I'll leave it as it is. Now, chat trigger is done. Chat trigger is triggered when I write something in the chat. Now that is given to AI as a prompt. But what does AI agent needs? If you guys remember, what does AI agent needs? AI agent doesn't have any brain. What will happen is if I'll run the workflow now, I'll click on open chat and I'll write hi. What will happen? It will throw an error. Why throw an error? Because AI agent doesn't have any brain till now. I have not connected any brain to AI agent. If you will see that there is this star. What does this star mean? What does this star mean? This means that this is non-optional. This is required. This is mandatory. Why? Because whenever I am creating an AI agent, it needs to have a brain. So let's just go ahead and give my AI agent some brain. So what I will do is I will click on chat model and I'll search for open AI chat model. And in OpenAI chat model, all the credentials and all these things are already there. I have explained you guys already how to create the credentials. But again, if you want me to repeat, I will quickly show you around how you can do that. So for the people who are opening NA10 for the first time, who are like doing NA10 for the first time, you must be able to see that at the top above this, there will be an option of 100 free OpenAI credits. Are you able to see that? If you're not able to see that, this means you have already claimed it. If you're able to see that, please click on claim. Please click on claim. And if you have already claimed it, make sure that this is how it looks. NA10 free OpenAI API credits. This is the free OpenAI credits. If you haven't claimed it yet, please claim it. Once you claim it, it will be visible like this. This means that the credentials is the free OpenAI API credits that NA10 is providing you. Okay, perfect. Is this clear with everyone? You can create a new ID if your credits have finished. Okay. For me, I already have a premium. So what I'll do is I will be using my premium subscription. So I already have my premium subscription. So I'll be using that. And model, I'll let it be this only. GPT, I don't want to change anything. So that's all we will be doing with this OpenAI chat model and we'll close it. Okay. So this node is also created. Any doubts with OpenAI chat model node? Any doubts, guys? No? Come on. Quickly. If you're having no doubt, respond that we don't have any doubt. No doubt? I'll quickly repeat what I did is AI agent should be having a brain. So I clicked over here. I searched for Open AI chat model. What is Open AI chat model? It's nothing but a brain that I'm giving to my AI agent. And over here, you can choose like whatever credits. If you have free credits, you will have to choose NA10 free OpenAI credits. If you have some like premium, then you can choose that credentials as well. Okay, perfect. So I'll close this one. And you don't need to worry. We will be having proper project hours where I'll be showing you all these things. So open chat, I will be writing hi again. See, it is working now. Correct? Can we see a green tick in our workflow now? There is no error, right? Yes, guys? Yes? We can see that the chat trigger triggered AI agent triggered OpenAI chat model, and we have received a reply that is, hello, how can I assist you? Let me reset this session and I'll again write hi. It is saying, hello, how can I assist you? Now I will be showing you one simple thing. Okay. I will be writing, I am Swapnil. Okay. I will be writing, I am Swapnil. It says, hello, Swapnil, how can I assist you? I will ask it, what is my name? What is this thing? I don't have access to your personal information. I just told AI agent that my name is Swapnil, but it is saying I don't have any access to your personal information. So this is a bad implementation because if I will be ordering something, After that, only AI agent will forget what is the order. Why exactly this is happening? You guys are smart enough. You guys have already started telling me in the chat. We have to add a memory because whenever we have AI agent, it needs to have a brain. It needs to have a memory to remember that who is ordering, what is the order, and all these things. So what I'll do is I'll click on memory. Now this memory, you can have different kinds of memory like MongoDB, Postgres, and all these things. But like in order to keep things simple, I will be just using simple memory that N10 provides. So I'll choose simple memory and I will click on it and I'll close it. I will not do anything. I just added simple memory and no other setting is required. That's all. Only adding simple memory is more than enough. Okay. Everyone happy? Now what I'll do is I'll reset the session. I'll write hi. It says, okay. I'll write I am Swapnil. Now I will ask it again. What is my name? Perfect. Now you're saying it's saying your name is Swapnil. How can I assist you further? This means that my AI agent is now having the context of the chat and our AI agent is ready to roll. Okay. Is it clear with everyone? What happened when I added the simple memory? AI agent started having the context of the chat. Okay. Perfect. Everyone clear till here? All the workflow is clear till here, guys? Yes? Perfect. I just added a simple memory here. Perfect. Amazing, guys. Amazing. Now, when we were talking about can we able to see data added to the memory? Yes, you can do that as well. Let's see if it is possible. So what I'll do is I will check the nodes. I will check the nodes here. You see in simple memory, I'll click on simple memory. You see the values that are added here. In simple memory, what is the data added? Let's see. Okay, so you can see the chat history is present over here. What I did is I opened the simple memory and it is able to kind of add all this chat. This is the chat history. This is the reason why it is able to kind of recall the context. It is adding till 5. What is the context? Window length till fifth previous chat. It is having all the data. That what is the chat history. So it is having all the chat history. Okay. Is it clear till here? Tulsi is asking where will we use RAG here? I will show you. Till now, RAG has not come up yet. Okay, perfect. Amazing. Now, where exactly the usage of RAG comes in? Okay, so how many of you want to see how RAG is being used over here? How many of you? Give me a thumbs up. Yes, 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 perfect. Now, what I will be doing is generic knowledge my AI agent is already having. Let's suppose I have created one doc. Let's create one doc. Okay. A new doc I am creating. Perfect. And in this doc, I will be adding some details of mom's magic. Okay. What kind of mom's magic details? Like, let's suppose policies. Okay. Is it fine? I have added mom's magic policies in a doc. And let's add some policies here. So, how exactly we can get the policies? Let's use ChatGPT. Why should we even do the hard work? Why should we write all these policies ourselves when AI can generate it for me? So I'll just write I am having one. I am having a. I am owner of a restaurant, Mom's Magic, where I deliver home cooked meals to my customer. Please create policies for my okay You want to do it Zwigato? Perfect. Let's do it Zwigato only then. I am owner of restaurant Zwigato. Zwigato is the chatbot, right? Restaurant is always Mom's Magic. But yeah, if you want, I can keep it Zwigato also. Perfect. I am owner of a restaurant named Zwigato where I deliver home cooked meals to my customers. Please create policies for this restaurant like refund policy, order policy, food quality, etc. Let's see what ChatGPT creates. So it has created some policies, some set of policies now. Perfect. Let me do one thing. Let me copy this whole thing. And let me paste it here. So what is this? This is my Zwigato restaurant policies. Okay. And all the heads are there. Everything is good to go. And this is how companies also have policies, right? Do you agree with me, guys? That companies also have policies like this, a full policy document around 10, 20 pages policies documents are there. Let's make sure that everything is Zwigato only now. So Zwigato restaurant policies. What I will be doing is, let's just go ahead and let's add this to our AI agent. Now, if I'll go ahead and I will ask the agent, hello, hi. It will say, hello, how can I assist you? I will write, what is the refund policy of my restaurant? What will happen, guys, when I will query this thing? I will be sharing, I haven't added any prompt yet. I'll be sharing the document, don't worry. What will happen if I ask the AI agent, what is the refund policy of my restaurant? It will randomly say, I don't have access to any specific details about your restaurant. Could you please provide name of your restaurant and refund policy document? That way I can help you better. This is where RAG comes into picture, guys. This is where RAG comes into picture. Are you convinced enough that if I want any internal data to kind of to be queried, I need to provide that. So let's add a tool which will act as a retrieval augmented generation. What I'll do is I will add Google Docs tool, and in this Google Docs tool, I will be having Mom's Magic Google Docs. Okay, this Google Doc is in a different account, so let me transfer the ownership to Mom's Magic account because I have logged in with that. Or otherwise, let it be. No problem. We will be creating new credential. So what I will be doing is my Zwigato document is in this particular account, Code with IITN Geek ISM account. So I need to log in with this account. So what I'll do is I will be writing Geek ISM this account. What was this account? Sheets account, Google Docs account, Google Docs account. So I'm creating a connection right now. I'm creating a connection. I have already kind of explained this to you how to create connections. So I will be simply writing Google Docs account. And for this, what I need to do, you remember for creating any kind of connection, we need to sign in with Google, right, everyone? I want to connect Google Docs to my NA10. So I need to give permissions for that. So I'll be going ahead and I'll be signing in with this account. And I'll select all and click on continue. This way, what will happen is my account is connected. Okay. And I will close this. And finally, can we provide connection with normal word? Yeah, see, obviously you need to add your account in order to do that. So over here, what it says, Geekism Google Docs account is connected. Now I want a document. What is the operation? What will be the operation of the document? I want to get the document, right? I want to get the document. So operation will be get. What will be the URL over here? I will be copying this URL, the share URL. It is again restricted only. If you will see, this is restricted only. It is not public document. It is restricted, which is the reason why it will be fine. So what I'll do is I will close this and I will name this particular this as get Zwigato policies. Get policies. Perfect. I have named it get policies. I'll be sharing all the things, guys. For now, I want you guys to focus. Please, please, please don't skip any part. Please focus. All the things will be shared with you. Don't worry about all these things, the link, the all these things. Whatever you should be worried about is seeing if you are understanding things or not. Okay, link, prompt, all these things are very much secondary thing. It will always be given to you. We have a dedicated project task for that. Please focus on the session right now. I will be repeating it again. Everyone paying full attention. Everyone paying full attention. I will be repeating this again. I have removed this. What I said is my AI agent needs to connect to some knowledge where it can understand what are the company policies, right? I have already told Zainul that please don't do alongside. We have a dedicated 1 hour project hours where I will be helping you. I will be giving you full time, like full 1 hour for you to implement this. But please don't implement right now. This is a request to you guys. Otherwise, what will happen is you will lose the context. You will not understand things. I will keep on repeating 10 times, but you will not understand. Why? Because your focus is also on repeating. I will request you guys again, please don't do it with me one by one. I will be having a dedicated project task just for you guys. Okay? For you to do this whole thing. Is it understood by everyone? Everyone paying full attention? Perfect. Let's focus on the session now. Now, no distraction. I will not be checking out the chats for the next few minutes. Please focus over here. So, this is my AI agent. My AI agent doesn't have any understanding of company policies. So, I need to connect it to company policies. For that, I have company policies in form of a Google document. In Google Docs, I have it. So what I'll do is I will connect this to Google Docs. How can I do that? I'll click on tool. I will search for Google Docs because I want to connect Google Docs. I will have to sign in with that account which owns this document. Which account owns this document, guys? Which account owns this document? This account. This geekism12 at the rate gmail.com. This account owns this document. You need to make sure that account credential is signed in and operation should be getting the document. I don't want to create the document. I want to get the document. And I will be pasting the URL here and we are done. We'll have to name it also. So what I'll do is I'll name it. Make sure that whenever you create a tool in Enit and you are naming it properly. So I'll name it get policies, get restaurant policies. Okay, perfect. Now what I'll do is, what is the final thing that needs to be done? You guys tell me now. I have set up the whole thing, but there is one thing missing. I will see if you guys still remember from my build your own AI agent assistant. Some people are saying test it, output, response, connection. No, think more. How will my AI agent know which tool to use? How will my AI agent know that for the restaurant policies queries, I need to use this tool? How will it know? I will have to add a system prompt. I will have to give instructions to AI agent. Right? Everyone remembers? We added system prompting. So I'll go to AI agent. I double clicked over here. I will add a system message and I will just write, you are a food ordering assistant. You have to use get restaurant policies tool in order to answer all the FAQs or you are in order to answer all the policy related customer queries. Okay, perfect. This is where RAG comes into picture and Finally, we are done with this thing. Let's open the chat and let's see if this is working fine or not. So I'll refresh this whole thing. I will write hi. Hi, how can I assist you for food ordering today? I will write I want to know the refund policy of your restaurant. It says the refund policy of our restaurant is as follows. Refunds are applicable only in these cases. Wrong item delivered. Now, what I can ask is, I ordered food, but it's not delivered yet. Am I eligible for refund? I can simply ask these kinds of queries. And what it will say? Yes, if order has not been delivered, you are eligible for refund according to our policy. Please make sure to raise the refund request within 2 hours of expected delivery and all these things. So it is literally doing all these things, all these amazing things, guys. And it is referring to this particular document in order to fetch all these data. And this is not only orders and payment related policies and all these things. Let's suppose I am asking this query that, hey, do you accept credit card payments? According to the payment policy, the restaurant accepts UPI, digital wallets, and net banking and cash. There is no mention of accepting credit card payments. So it appears credit card are not accepted as payment method. If you want any other information, feel free to ask it. Isn't it amazing, guys, that now this whole setup is going through the document that I shared with it and responding based on that. And it's not responding that same chunk, it is going through and responding just like a customer support agent, just like a person sitting behind it and responding to all my queries. Does this make sense, guys? A very good question by Veera. That Swapnil, this is a very simple use case where we are having only one document. What happens when industry level documents are there? A lot of documents are there. You can add huge number of pages in Google Docs as well. You can add Google Sheets as well. Multiple different data can be connected here. If you will be able to see, there is a Google Sheets tool as well. So you can add it in Excel format as well. You can add it in Google Docs format as well. In fact, what you can do is, let's suppose you don't have data in Google Sheets or Google Docs format. You have data in some private format. This is possible, right? Some private database is also there. Some private database is also there. Correct. So you can connect that database as well, MongoDB, Atlas, Vector. And at the end of the day, if you want to create or add to any website, you can use HTTP request tool as well. All these things are possible. This is just a simple way I was showing you. Excel can also be added. Yes. Is it completely clear with everyone? Yes. Now, some people are asking this thing, that's Swapnil. Okay, you are saying that this thing is useful, but obviously my customer will not come to this particular N8N chat and chat with the customer, customer support agent, right? Everyone agrees that obviously the customer will not be coming over here and doing all these things. So what more we can do? What more we can do is, instead of having chat trigger, we can have triggers like Telegram. You guys already know how to set it up, right? We can have Telegram, correct? We can have Gmail. All these triggers are also possible. But these triggers, you guys already know. At the end of the day, WhatsApp can also be a trigger. You can do for WhatsApp as well. I will be showing you one amazing thing. That, let's suppose you are having a website. You are having a website and you want to kind of integrate this whole thing inside your website only. That could be a thing, right? You want to integrate this whole thing in your website, this whole chatbot, or you want to have a whole website of this chatbot also. How many of you want this kind of an this that you want to have this customer support agent website only? So what we will do is we will double click on chat message and we will write make chat available for everyone, and this link has been created. I can share this link with, and obviously I'll have to like publish this. So let's go ahead and publish this. Sorry. I will publish this. And what will happen, guys, is I will refresh this and this whole thing is set up. Now you will be able to see it showing my name is Nathan. How can I assist you? You can rename this as well. You can just go here and over here and name this like my like hello, hi there. I am Zwigato, customer support agent. How can I help you? Okay. Hi there, I'm Zwigato and all these things. Let's stop this and let's publish this again. Let's refresh the chat. Okay, is it not published? Okay, this was not the chat. This is the chat, correct? Let's refresh this. So you can see, I'll be repeating this thing. Firstly, you just see that hi there, I'm Zwigato customer support agent. This whole website is created by N8 and automatically I can just write hi and let's see if this is working. Hi, how can I assist you for food ordering needs today? So I will be just saying, I want to pay via UPI. Is it possible? Yes, you can pay via UPI. The restaurant accepts UPI, digital payments, net banking, and all these things. And the whole thing is working just like that. Isn't it amazing, guys, that the whole chat interface got created and we just did it using a click? How we did it? I double clicked over here and I just turned this on. Make chat publicly available. That's it. One trigger, this thing, make chat publicly available, and your chat URL is created. And not only this, you can embed this as well. I will be showing you that after creating the whole food delivery thing. But this is what you can achieve from this thing. How can we integrate this in as existing website? You can integrate that as well. Instead of having hosted chat, you can click on embed chat. You can click on embedded chat and you can see how chat can be embedded. So it is giving me follow instructions to embed chat in a web page, and this is the instruction how you can do that. This is for a hosted screen and this is for an embedding. You can create an embedding as well. How to do that? I'll quickly show you. For now, for just a demo I'm showing you, I will be showing you for your website as well. So let's suppose I want to embed it in this website only. So how we can do that? I'll just show you using inspect. This is not the correct way to do it. I'm just showing you this is possible. Okay. So I will go to more and developer tools. Why this is so much zoomed up? Okay, fine. It's fine. I'll go to elements. This you don't need to do, guys. This you don't need to do. I am just showing you what is possible. Like you can integrate it in your website as well. So I will write edit as HTML. And at the end of this, I will be pasting this thing. And this URL, I will be putting it here. Okay. Like it's not showing up here, but yes, it can be done. I can show you not from developer tools. I don't think so. That is a great idea to show it from developer tools. But let's suppose you have created your website. How do you guys create your website generally? How do you guys create your website generally? Like I'm just asking you questions. You guys have already gone through website creation classes, right? I will be Lovable or Replit, right? I'll be showing you using Replit. I'll be showing you using Replit. Okay, perfect. What I'll do is create a simple website for my restaurant Zwigato. I'll just give it this prompt, create a simple website for my restaurant Zwigato. Everyone knows about Replit. Replit, Lovable, Cloud Code, all these are tools to kind of create websites. Okay. This is just an additional thing that I'm showing you. This is not related to our rack thing, but how you can integrate it. This is an additional. You can call it a bonus from my side. So using just a prompt, we can create websites using Replit. Let's see. For this, we need to log in. So let me log out with this account. Or maybe like I have already some websites created. Let me see. Perfect. So I already created one Mom's Magic website just to show you like how this thing works. Let's suppose this is your website that you have created from wherever, from Lovable or from wherever. Recreate, reload the website. Let's give this prompt. Oh man. It is restarting the application. It takes some time. Uh, Let it load. Yeah, okay. You have a website. If someone has a website, then I can show from that. Or obviously, we need to create it. Okay, fine. Let's create it from scratch only. I was just checking if I can use the same thing that I have, but I don't think so. That is there. So create a very simple website for my restaurant, Zwigato. Let it create. It is creating. It generally takes some time, but it will be creating the website. So you can see it has created a very simple website with the names Vigato and all these things. Obviously, we can keep on updating all these things. Now, the main task is not creating the website. I hope you are understanding this thing. In this session, we are not learning how to create a website, but in this session, we are learning if you already have a website, then how can you integrate this chat bot with that? So what I did is I selected embedded chat, okay, and then what I will be doing is I will be copying this whole thing. This is CDN embed. How did I open this? I clicked on this instruction. And from here, I just copied this CDN embed. And what I will do is I will give this to Replit and I will ask it, please embed this chatbot that I have. Replit is also free, just like Lovable, created from NA10. And obviously, we need to make sure that this webhook URL is correct. So what I'll do is I will pick this URL up and I will paste it here. And done. Let's see if it is able to integrate it or not. Replit is just like Lovable, guys. If you know Lovable, it's similar. It is also free. If you want to do it with Lovable also, I can show it with Lovable also. How can we embed it without vibe coding? That also I'll show you. Don't worry. Zainul, if you're asking that, again, that would go a little bit technical, but I'll be showing you that as well. You just need to put this whole block at the end of your this thing, at the end of your HTML file. Okay, it says daily limit reached. Did it not do it? Okay, I think my credit limit reached or something. I've embedded the NA10 in your website. You should be now. Okay, ready to share. Let's refresh this. So you can see the chatbot has come now. Are you able to see the chatbot now, guys? Able to see this chatbot? This is how it looks like in most of the websites. A chatbot for your website, whatever website you will be creating. In this demo, also I showed you how to create your own website. So you can see again it says, "My name is Nathan. How I can assist you?" I can put a hi over here. Hi, how can I take your food orders and all these things? And I can just mention that I want to know about refund policy of Zwigato and done. And it is giving me all this information. Isn't it exciting? I know some of the things has gone little bit faster, but I will be explaining the whole thing again in a much slower pace. But this is just for the demo. Are you like don't you think that this is amazing? Like literally you can create your website using Replit, Lovable, wherever. You can AI agent using this as well, using Na10. You can integrate your AI agent like this also, just like a chatbot in your own website. Not only having a whole different website, but you can integrate whole thing like this as well in just a single prompt. And I will be showing you the whole thing again in a slower pace in my project hours as well. Isn't it mind blowing, guys? Yes. How many of you think that this is something that can actually like add some business to your add some value to your business? How many of you think like that? So you can literally, whenever you plan to create something, some business of yours, you can create an NA10 bot like this. You can create the embedded chat link and you can simply embed. How much time it took me? It took me hardly 1 hour to create this, and this chat agent is done. And this is not a random chat agent. It is something that will be able to chat with you, right? Like let's suppose you will be asking random things. What is the capital of India? Do you think it will be able to kind of give me this information? Like normal chat doesn't give you this information. It will be able to interact like this as well. Isn't it funny? Like this is something, a whole chat interface. This is not only customer support agent, but a whole chat interface with which you can go ahead and keep on chatting just like you're chatting with a person. Now that we have created this workflow, I hope this workflow is pretty much understood by you, but we will be creating something even better than that. This. How better than this? Right now, what we have done is we have done only customer support queries like refund queries and all these queries, right? Related to your refunds and all these things. What we want to create is we want to create a workflow which is taking orders as well, which is showing the menu as well, and all these things. Agree? This is only one step. This is the first step that we have done. We will be doing a lot more than these things. We will be taking customer orders. We will be like updating our Google Sheets with that, with all the customer details and all these things. We will be showing the menu and all these things. Do you want to do that, guys? Do you want to do complete this particular workflow till that extent? Yes? Yes? Perfect. For that, I want you to be back because I can see some of the folks are saying, please break, and all these things. So I'll give a small break to you guys. Not tomorrow, I'll give you a small break and then I'll be showing you that. Okay? A small break. I will be giving you 10 minutes break before showing you that. Okay? And then we will be back. Please make sure to come back, guys. If you are coming back, then only I will be showing you how to create a workflow from where we can take orders and all these things can be done. Okay, so please make sure you're coming back. Yes, everyone. Okay, okay. Yes, 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 yes. Perfect, perfect. So I'll be starting the 10 minutes break. And your time has started now. Perfect. I'll just write break. Okay, so guys, after the break, we will be starting the project hours. So please, please, please make sure that you're coming after the break because project hours is very, very much important for everyone. Okay, so please make sure you're coming after the break. If you want to have some food or like get some like juice or refreshments, please make sure you're doing it right now because after this, we will be launching our project hours. Okay, so please make sure you're coming back because after this whole thing 1.5 hours we have already hit, so we are done with the learning hours. After this we will be focusing on project hours, so please make sure you're coming back. Okay, yes everyone, the timer is running. I have added 5 minutes in order to make sure that like you guys can have some food as well. Okay, a quick time check, everyone. Is everyone back? Yes? Perfect, 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 guys. Okay, I can see all the folks are back. I can see one question by Anand in this workflow where exactly RAG is used. So see, I will explain this to you very clearly. So RAG basically is internally used. It's not like you will be able to see how RAG exactly is getting all the chunking and all these things is happening. I will be in fact explaining you all these things. So there are two types, two steps that happens in RAG. One is chunking and one is embedding. Okay, little bit kind of towards the technical side because you asked this question, so I will be kind of just answering this, but I am planning to explain this to you in the next session. I'll be going little bit towards the depth of chunking and embedding, how exactly like let's suppose this particular is just a one page document, right everyone? This is a one page, two-page document, correct? Now, when there is a one page, two-page document, it's fine. Like it's not a problem. But let's suppose when there is thousands and millions of pages of document and all these things, at that time, what we do is we have to set up the rack through a third party setup that there are many websites that provide it. Pinecone is one of them. Pinecone and all these things. So what happens in these websites, because you asked, which is the reason why answering, I'll just wait for the other folks also to join in. So these two steps happen over there. So the whole file, that is 1000 pages files, it is divided into multiple chunks, and that is known as chunking. And embedding means like all these chunks are provided a specific ID, a number, and all these things happen. So I will be explaining this in tomorrow's session in further detail, but this is the whole setup that happens with RAG, which you won't be able to see at your end. It happens at the level of kind of AI level only. It automatically generates or retrieves the whole information through augmented generation only. Okay, is this clear? Does that answer your question? Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, now that we have completed our learning hours, everyone back here? Yes, it's a vector database, a very good thing. That's a vector database. Oh, is it so? I can see Devender has completed it in 10 minutes break. I am really happy that you guys have done it. Don't worry at all if you haven't. I will be explaining the whole thing again through Project Hours. So don't worry at all. I am here. I will make sure that you are understanding each and everything in super basic way, and the replit part also. So don't worry at all. You can use replit, lovable, anything. Okay. Okay, Shushant, you are not able to see chat trigger. I'll help you how to go over that. Okay. Is everyone ready after the short break? Is everyone ready? Yes, 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 yes. Everyone ready? Perfect, 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 perfect. Okay. Now that we have seen the whole workflow, when chat received and all these things is happening, we have set up our website also, right everyone? We created our website also through like replit or whatever you want, through lovable, and we saw how our agent powered by n8n is working and all these things is happening, how we are able to chat with our agent and do the whole setup, correct? And we also saw how to kind of do it when the chat interface is there. Both ways we have seen, correct? Is that right? Yes everyone? Can I get a quick yes? Till now, we have done this. Now, I will be showing the whole thing in a slower pace in project hours, because till now, you guys have just followed. But at the same time, I will be giving you one bonus as well. How many of you want this one bonus? In this one bonus, I will be showing you around how to set one more tool up over here, at least the menu part. How many of you want bonus? Write me in chat. Let's see. Perfect, perfect, perfect. For this, now we'll start our project ask. But before that, I have a small request. Yes, Priya, we can beautify the chat as well, but that again needs little bit of technical understanding. But yeah, that can also be done. You can use it with Replit as well. Okay, so for those of you who are back from the break, I want one help from you guys, like one, you can call it kudos or whatever. If you liked the session till now, how many of you loved the session till here and understood each and every part? Even if you haven't, little understanding clarity is there. I will be having proper project hours where I'll be explaining the whole thing. But you guys loved the session till here. I have one request to you. A feedback form will be shared in front of you, in front of the screen, for the session that is being done till now. Okay, please make sure, team, can you please launch the feedback? If you loved the session, if you like the session, you can rate it 5. Okay, that would be a kudos to me. If you like the session, please make sure that you're filling the feedback form. And if you loved it, if you think that this added something, kind of something useful, and if it was justifiable to you, then please make sure that you are building it and you're rating whatever you liked it. Okay, please make sure, if you loved it, please rate it 5. Okay, that's all I want to request. That's a request from my side. And at the same time, again, please make sure to fill the feedback form at least. Whatever you like, if you like the session, please make sure to show it through your session so that we can connect these kinds of session more. Okay, we actually look towards the feedback and then we like set these sessions up. So looking at your feedback only, we'll be setting up the upcoming classes as well. So I'm waiting for your feedback to come in. Please make sure you fill the feedback at least. Okay. Yes, as my team is saying, a positive feedback keeps the mentor motivated, and this is all I'm asking. That's all. Make sure at least you fill the feedback. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, team, for launching the feedback. The feedback form will be here for some time, and post this, I will be showing you the project hours. Okay, everyone. We will be we'll wait for a minute. No, I read your message also, Sanjeev. I'm going through your messages. Classes with you is fun and learning is easy. Thank you so much for that compliment, Priya. I'm really happy you liked my classes, guys. Which is the reason why I specifically asked, is this the same batch which I took build your personal AI assistant? Because I actually connected with some of you and I'm really happy that you guys are back. Perfect, perfect. Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much, guys, for filling the feedback form. If you loved the session, please rate it accordingly. Yes, so yep, guys, I try my best to answer all your queries, but sometimes it happens that some of the queries goes up, so it's not possible for me to read all of them. But I try to make sure that I try to read as many as possible. Okay, the feedback form will be coming in front of your screen. Perfect. Thank you so much for all your comments, guys. I read through your comments. Thank you so much, Ankit, and all the people who are appreciating the efforts. Thanks, folks. Okay, I think we can move ahead with the session, team. So we can stop the feedback form now. I think if we have collected the feedback, please make sure to rate it, guys, a final few seconds. Sure, sure, team. Great, guys, great. If we need to use 4 account for reconciliation, we need to prepare 4 workbook or worksheet. No, 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 it's not like that. No, it's not like that. Only one workflow is fine. Only one sheet is good enough. Okay, perfect. Can we have the prompt doc? Yes, why not? You want this particular document? I can share this with you. So let me do one thing. Let me download this and share. I think that way most of you will be able to see. Otherwise, what happens is this way some of you are not able to see. For those of you who haven't filled the feedback form yet, I'm requesting you guys, please make sure to fill the feedback form. And I will be sharing this with you guys, this Vigato restaurant policies. Here you go in your chat. Are we able to multiple triggered node to a single workflow? See, one single workflow can be triggered using one trigger only. But yes, we can set up a complex node also. There is a way to do that as well. Yes, some way that is possible. It's not like it's not possible. We can do that way. Yeah, perfect. Kindly place it on LMS as well. Sure, Carleen. So all these things will be placed in your LMS as well, guys. Yes. Thank you so much, Tejinder. Thank you, guys. I am very happy to see that you guys have started liking my sessions and enjoying my sessions. This way, this whole atmosphere is built, that the trust with the students, the trust with the instructor built. So I'm really happy. I'm glad that I have got such an amazing audience as students. Thank you so much, guys. And trust me, like you guys are very smart. All of you, you guys understand things pretty fast. I have taken a lot of sessions, a lot of batches. You guys are smart, trust me. And I'm not saying this just to kind of flatter or something like that. This is something like which I wanted to kind of tell you. Okay, so here you go. I have shared the link to this document as well. So please make sure if you're not able to download it from there, you can download it from here as well. Thank you so much, Alok, Rashmi. Okay, I think we have collected good amount of feedback, team. Perfect, perfect, very good. Awesome. So, thank you so much for filling the feedback forms, guys. Perfect. Now it's time for us to start the project task. So, how many of you are excited for the project task? Tell me. It's time for the mighty project task. Show me some excitement in the chat. Come on. I'll be showing the menu as well, Shalin. That's the bonus that I was talking about. Yes, 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 yes. Perfect. So, what I will be covering in the project hours is I will be showing you this whole workflow in from scratch. We will be kind of, for those of you who have already created this, you can feel free to drop off because it's majorly the same thing that we will be doing. But one more bonus is what I will be adding is I will be also showing you how to read the menu. Okay. Now, you must be thinking, Swapnil, if we have already covered everything in today's session only, this must be having in your mind that if we'll cover the whole thing today only, what we will be covering tomorrow. You must be thinking that, right? That if you will do the menu also today, the policies also today, we have a lot of things to cover in tomorrow's session. And tomorrow's session gonna be even more exciting than today's session. Why so? Because tomorrow I will be showing you the proper way how we can have, let's suppose, 1000 or 10,000 pages document. How can I make sure that chunking and embedding is done and how exactly RAG is set up. Okay, this is what I'll be showing you in tomorrow's session. Today's session was just the trailer. The picture is tomorrow's session. Okay, perfect. With that kind of an excitement, I will go ahead and I will start everything from scratch again. So I'll go to personal workflows. Sure. Okay. Perfect. For those of you who are asking that, can you show me the bonus first? So how many of you wants to see the bonus first, or would you want to go ahead from scratch? Because some of you wants bonus first because you have already implemented till here. Bonus first, then I'll be quickly showing you bonus first and then from scratch. Everyone agree? I'll quickly show you bonus first and then from scratch. Agree, everyone? The bonus part also I will be repeating. For those of you who haven't started anything from scratch, I'll be showing them that as well. Okay, perfect. So let's just move ahead. So in the bonus, what I will be doing is, guys, obviously I will be creating, let me close all these things. Let me close all these stuff. And what I am doing is I need to set up, let's suppose if I have Zwigato, if we have Zigator as a restaurant, and these are the restaurant policies, how I can bring my menu as well in my workflow, how that can be done. What do you think? What is the best way to add the menu level details, like what is the pricing and what how many numbers are product inventory and all these things? Again, adding one doc. So instead of doc, I will be using an Excel.
I will be using an Excel. Okay. In this Excel, I will name it Zwigato. Zwigato master sheet or Zwigato dashboard. I can name it Zwigato dashboard. This is the dashboard which I will be referring to. Now, in this dashboard, I will be having three sheets. Okay. What are the three sheets, guys? First sheet is inventory. Everyone agrees? Like how many products are there, what products are there, kind of the menu, how many items available, and all these things. So I will be naming the first sheet as inventory. Is this clear with everyone? This first sheet that I have named inventory. I have created a new sheet. How exactly I created the new sheet? By writing sheets.new. Perfect. Normal creation of Google Sheets. Now, what could be the fields over here? The fields over here, I'll just copy from here only. Or like we can have separate. It's not a problem. Yes, Prasanta, I can see your messages. So I will be writing food item and then price and then quantity. Anything else that should be present in my inventory, guys? What do you think? Are these headers good enough? No, I am asking about this is inventory. Like food item is there, price is there, quantity is there. I don't think so. Yes, Devendra, I can see your messages. I don't think so anything else is required. Yes, veg, non-veg, all these things are additional things. So for now, are we good enough with these three fields? I think for now, these three fields are good enough. How much left in stock? That is the quantity. We will be reducing the quantity. Or instead of quantity, you can name it stock as well. Okay? Is this fine? Instead of quantity, we will be writing the stock. That's a better measure. So is this good enough? Perfect. So I'll be just little bit coloring this. What are the food items that we want to add? Let's quickly add some food items. So for this also, I am very lazy. So I won't be doing it myself. I will be asking, please generate some food items, price, stock for my restaurants inventory Google Sheet. Okay. Let's see what ChatGPT generates. Oh man, it has generated all these things. I will specifically ask for these three fields. I want specifically these three fields and I want food items like sandwich, burger, and sandwich, burger, what, poha, idli, dosa, and all these things. Perfect. Let's copy this and paste it here. And let's remove these. Is our inventory ready? Everyone agrees? Is our inventory ready? Should I share this document with you guys? Let me share this with you. Or you can create it yourself as well. If you don't want to use mine, you can create it yourself as well. Okay, this is pretty much simple. I can share this copy paste thing. You can copy paste and create your own. That way only it will be better. If you will be using mine, then it won't be possible. I have shared this, but better would be that you create this on your own. Okay, guys? Perfect. I will download and also share this with you. So better would be that you create this on your own. Otherwise, what you can do is you can use make a copy over here as well. Like you can make a copy from mine, but make sure that this is in your drive. If it will be in my drive, then it won't be It won't be anything any better. Okay, perfect. How exactly I can connect this menu with my workflow? So are you guys paying full attention? Yes, you can create Google Sheets as well. You can just go to your browser and write sheets.new and a Google Sheet will be created. And just copy this whole thing over there. Now coming to the main part. These all things you guys already know. Coming to main part where this is my AI agent. Okay, how exactly to set up the menu and inventory thing with my AI agent? How this can be done? You guys tell me. How exactly I have set up get restaurant policies using Google Doc? What tool I will be adding here? You guys tell me. We will be adding the tool that is named as Sheets. Okay, so we have added the Google Sheets tool. I will select this one, and it is right now showing Mom's Magic Google Sheets. I don't want Mom's Magic Google Sheets because this Google Sheet is present in my this Geek account. So I will have to sign in with the Geek account. So I'll create new credential and I will go ahead and sign in with Geek account. This code with IITN account. I'll continue. I'm doing the whole process with you guys, and I'll name it Geek ISM Sheets account. Perfect. So now what is the operation that we want to do with the sheets? Tell me, what is the operation that we want to do? Quickly tell me, guys. What is the operation? We want to read. We want to read the items, right? We want to extract, read, right? So get rows will be the operation over here. From which sheet? From Zwigato dashboard. I will be choosing Zwigato dashboard. Okay. Update, we will have to do it separately. Very good, Anamika Sinha. Update also needs to be done. We also need to make sure that the stock is deducted, right? Everyone agrees. We also need to make sure that this stock is deducted after each and every order. But with same Google Sheet tool, I can't do both things. One sheet will be for getting the inventory, getting the rows and menu and all these things. Another will be for updating it. Okay. So which sheet? I will be just choosing inventory sheet. Nothing else. That is it. And I will name this as get inventory or inventory, whatever. Perfect. This sheet is done. One more Google Sheet we want. What is one more Google Sheet tool we want? Why exactly we'll be wanting one more? You guys tell me. Why exactly we will be needing one more tool? The deduction to update the stock. So I'll be choosing plus and I'll be choosing sheets again. Google Sheets, and I will be choosing update row over here. Update row. From which? From again, sorry, this wrong account. Geek ISM account, Zwigato dashboard, inventory sheet. But there is a catch here. Whenever we want to update a row, whenever we want to update a row, we need to tell which row to be updated, right? Is that correct, everyone? I am updating. Let's suppose I have ordered masala dosa. Okay, I have ordered masala dosa. Then I need to make sure that this stock is updated. This 25 is written. This needs to be updated. So we need to make sure that we need to map it. We need to map the column. So it's asking, do you want to map it manually? I will say yes, I want to map it manually. It's asking columns to match on. Which columns do you want to match? I will say I want to match the food item column. Okay. I want to match the food item column. Now, what will be the food item value? What will be the food item value? Now, this is the catch. I will see how many of you will be able to answer this correctly. How exactly I will know which food item to update? From chat, okay? From AI, very good. AI model will tell me, let AI decide. We will choose this one, let model define this parameter, because this will be defined based on my chat. This will be decided by AI. So this is done. Price, do we want to update the price, guys? No, right? Price will be no. But stock, how much stock will be updated? Who will decide this? how many order has been done. This will also be decided by AI. We will not do anything, nothing manually. We are lazy person, we will let the AI decide. And we have set up this whole thing. We will go back to our flow. Obviously we'll have to name this update inventory stock. Okay, perfect. Is our workflow ready now? What do you think? Is our workflow ready, guys? Some people are saying yes, some people are saying no. I am still waiting for some people to say yes, Zainul is right. Some other people are also right. We will also need to make sure that our AI agent knows which tool to use in which way. I have updated you have to use get restaurant policy tool in order to answer all the policy related query, but I haven't told it how to use these two tools, get inventory and update inventory stock. I need to tell the AI that AI doesn't know which tool to use in which case, right? It will fumble, it will hallucinate. Whenever AI agent is set up, it's always good to be so much precise about everything that your AI understands each and every part in a better way. So I will write you have to use we are writing a system prompt, get inventory tool in order to show the menu to the customer. Also suggest masala dosa is the chef's special. Perfect. We are just adding some guidance for our AI agent. We are just adding some rules that you are a food ordering AI assistant. Please be polite. Please be polite with the customers, like random suggestions. You have to use get restaurant policies tools in order to answer all the policy related queries. You have to use get inventory tool in order to show the menu to the customer. Also suggest masala dosa is chef special. What is the fourth thing that I want to tell the AI agent? Tell me. What is the fourth thing that I need to tell the AI agent? Update. So use update in inventory stock sheets tool, Google Sheets tool, in order to reduce the stock, reduce the stock of the items that are ordered. Now we will also give it an example for it to be very much precise. For example, if what are the items, if one dosa and two upma are ordered, let's suppose if three dosa, and just like I will be sharing this instruction with you guys as well, just like I tell to all my students that these are the instructions, they are giving instruction to AI as well. Like if three dosa and two upma are ordered, then the stock of dosa will be reduced by 3 and the stock of upma will be reduced by 2. Do you think this is precise instruction? With this kind of instruction, AI will be able to execute. This is very much precise, everyone. Yes, perfect. Let me share this with you guys as well. Is this instructions required? Really a very good question by Sundar. Sundar, yes, AI agents doesn't know which tool to use in which way. Sometimes it will be able to do it, but it's always good to be very much precise. Even if I don't write it, it will be able to kind of do it in that way. I will be sharing in doc as well. Don't worry, guys. I will be sharing with doc. Let me create a doc and let's share. I will name it Zwigato prompt. System prompt. Let me share this. Are you able to access now the system prompt? Perfect. Now what I will do is I will remove this and I will check if my workflow is working fine or not. So are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Yes? Yes? Even though my system prompts are still not precise enough, how to take the orders, how to talk with the customer, we will see how exactly it is working. So I'll write hi. Hello, welcome to the restaurant. How can I assist you? Are you interested in seeing the menu or any specific thing? Yes, please show me the menu. We have still a lot of work to do in this way, but I'm just showing that this is still working. It shows here is the menu, veg sandwich 60, grilled sandwich 80, and all these things. Okay. So it is perfectly fetching. And you can see once it is fetching, it is showing the green tick as well. In the get inventory, it's showing green tick means it is able to correctly fetch it. I will write, I want to order um, two dosa and one upma. Let's see if it works. It's working. It's working. It's updating the inventory as well. Your order of two dosa and one upma has been placed successfully. Let's see if it got updated or not. And we can see the dosa quantity and upma quantity got updated, guys. The stock value, if you will see. The stock value actually got updated. And this is how we have created this whole workflow. And obviously, all these things I have not received my order. Am I eligible for refund? Then also it will be answering, but using which tool? Using get policies tool, and it is able to answer using restaurants policy, and this is how it is done. Yes, please show the menu again. Please show the menu again. Sure, Zenul. And this is how it has been able to do all these things. When customers place orders parallelly, how will the stock be updated, be recognized? How to control the priority of the customers in the workflow? Customers order parallelly. Again, if they are ordering parallelly, then also this we are able to do it. Obviously, there are multiple ways to prioritize it. In such cases, if exact same time orders comes in, then also it's all about which order is executed first. That's how it works. So is the bonus part clear with everyone? No, I am not asking it to show the stock value, because why will I let the customer see the stock value? Obviously, do you think that when you go to a restaurant they also tell you that how many items are left for each item? Not, no, right? Why will I ask? Why will I show my stocks to the customer? Like how many items are available, right? That is a bad thing. I don't want to show that. I just want to show the pricing and all these things. Just in case something is kind of out of bound or something is not in stock. Let's suppose I will make upma as 0. And let's see if I try to order upma, what will happen? And obviously, I need to make sure to write the instruction that if some item stock value is 0, please tell the customer that it's not in the stock. Okay, we have updated this. Let's see if it is working fine or not. So I will write, I want to order 2 plates of upma. Let's see what happens. Okay, I think it has not. Okay, did I update somewhere else? It's still showing. Okay, let me do it again. I have updated it. This is saved. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, so it's directly updating. I think 27 again and again. I'm not sure why, but again, this is again one thing that can be controlled using our this thing. It says you have already ordered 2 plates of upma and all these things. I think we just need to refresh the whole thing. That then it would be fine. I think it will work in that way. Okay. Again, as I mentioned, that this whole workflow is not mature enough. A matured workflow, I will show you how it looks like. This is how it will look like. A lot of things would be present over there. Update inventory, get FAQs, update order sheet, get inventory. So this is how a matured this works like. And do you want to see how a matured prompt looks like? How many of you want to see what kind of a prompt is generally shown? Okay, perfect. I will be showing you this kind of a prompt is given to AI in order to get the best out of it. This kind of a huge prompt. This I will be showing you in tomorrow's class how to build this prompt. Because obviously you won't be able to write all this prompt yourself, right? And just writing you have to do doesn't work. You have to write like this way in this language. What action needs to be done? What recommendation you need to provide? All these things. This is the whole prompt that is there. Okay? That needs to be done, guys. This is the whole idea. So with this, I have shown you the bonus as well. The bonus was nothing but showing you the Google Sheets tool, how to get the menu, how to update stock. Again, this we can keep on improving. At the end of the day, our task is to make sure that our chatbot is matured enough to answer all type of queries. And this is what we're gonna build in the next session tomorrow. So for those of you who wanted to kind of go through the bonus beforehand, I showed you the bonus. Are you guys happy now? Because now I'll be showing you the whole thing from scratch. All my friends who wants to see from scratch now can stay. For the others also, please stay. If you just like, it will be a quick revision for you guys as well. So it would be great if you can stay. It will hardly take 10 more minutes. To Yes, you can do in parallel as well. You can do in parallel as well. Okay, this is our project task, so you can do in parallel as well. Okay. Perfect. And if your AI credits is eaten up, you can recreate the account. That way, it will be done. Apart from the prompt, Zainul, we will be also covering what is RAG, and we will be completing this whole thing. I will also be covering a new tool that is known as Spine Code. This Pinecone is a vector database. This is the proper RAG creation. This is what we will be creating tomorrow. A vector database for scale production. Little bit more towards the RAG is what we will be learning tomorrow. So please make sure, guys, you're coming tomorrow, because tomorrow's knowledge will be golden knowledge which no one will ever tell you. And trust me, in all my sessions, I make sure that all these things is diluted enough so that you guys understand in simple words. So please make sure you guys coming tomorrow, and please stay 10 more minutes. I will be creating the whole workflow again. Okay, perfect. Everyone ready? Ready? Yes? Should I start creating? Perfect, perfect. Awesome. I'll try to go slow. And at the end of the tomorrow also, I'll be repeating only, so don't worry at all. What's the first step we will be doing? You guys tell me. What's the first step we'll be doing? We will be creating a trigger, and that trigger could be a chat trigger. So let me click on this. Have you guys clicked on it? You can do it parallelly. I clicked on this, and over here I will search for chat. I will search for chat. Are you guys able to do this chat trigger enabled? Everyone, this it will open like this. We don't need to do anything here. We will simply close. That's it. Everyone done till here? Yes. I will repeat one more time. What I did is I clicked on add first step. In the search node, there is a sidebar that got opened. What triggers this workflow? In the search node, I searched for chat. Okay, I searched for chat. I clicked on chat trigger, and this page got open. But I don't know what is this page. So what I'll do is I will not do anything with this. I will just click on this cross button and done. You must be getting chat trigger option. Is everyone done till here? Right? Step 1 done. Step 1 done. Like this. Perfect. Perfect. What's the next step, guys? You guys tell me. What is the next step that we will be creating? We will be creating the AI agent. So let's quickly create the AI agent. Our AI agent is created. We don't need to do anything here. So what we will do is we will click on cross and done. AI agent setup is completed for you. What I did is I'll repeat it again. Yeah, I'll repeat it again. What I did is I clicked on this plus. I searched for AI agent and I will click on AI agent. And I don't need to do any setup over here. I will click on cross and AI agent setup is done. Is this done for you guys as well? So if this is done, write step 2 done. We will do step by step so that everyone follows. Again, once quickly, I will quickly do from scratch for just for you guys. Step 1, add first step. I went here, I searched for chat trigger. Step 1, cross, done. Step 1 done. Step 2, no one will explain you this much times, guys. Needs a lot of patience, so please try to follow. Plus, again, next node is AI agent. I will select AI agent. I will not do anything here. Step 2 done. Everyone done with step 2. Now what is the step 3? Step 3 is connecting a LLM, connecting a large language model. So what I'll do is I will click on chat model and over here I will search to add the brain. Very good, Mohammed. I will add the brain by writing OpenAI chat model. So in the language models, I'll search for OpenAI. You must be able to see OpenAI. Write OpenAI together. Otherwise, you won't be able to see. Otherwise, just write open. If you will write open, you will be able to see OpenAI chat model. Select this. Okay. Now, one difficulty will come up in your machine, right? You will be, if your new account is there at the top, you will be able to see 100 free OpenAI credits. Are you able to see if this is your new account? Are you able to see this? If this is a new account, please claim this, guys. This is very helpful. Please claim this. Once you claim this, my friends, what will be happening is you will be able to see NA10 free Open API credits over here. Are you able to see this as credential? For Gemini, I'll be showing tomorrow. Okay, Dhaval? Today, just focus on OpenAI. Gemini also I'll show you tomorrow, but because today we are trying to time box. Perfect. NA10 free OpenAI API credits. Are you able to see? Perfect. Everyone is able to see. Very good. Just in case your credits are finished, please create new account. If you will create new accounts, you will still be able to see NA10 free OpenAI credits. Okay. I am moving to the other one because I have like my own credentials. So I'll be using that. Okay. And that's it. We will click on close. Step 3 done. Is step 3 done for everyone? I am watching the chat, guys. I'm seeing you guys doing it. We'll be doing it together. We are a team, right? Perfect. Very good. Very good. What's the next thing that we will be doing, friends? The next thing is our AI agent needs to have context of whatever we talked, right? So what I'll do is I will click over here, memory. All these things I have already taught you in previous session. I'm again repeating because I want to make sure that it is inserted so much in your brain that you will not even forget this in your sleep time. Okay? Perfect. Just kidding. So what I'll do is I'll click on memory and prompt we don't need to write currently, Aarti. Okay, you don't need to write prompt right now. Right now, let's do the setup and then at the end we'll be writing the prompts. So I'll click on memory. I will choose simple memory here. Simple memory. And I don't need to do anything here. That's it. I'll let it be just like that. No setup, nothing. Simple memory, that's it. Is that fine, everyone? So, right, step 4 done if you have done with the simple memory setup. Perfect. What is the next thing we will be doing? Next thing we will be doing is adding our Zwigato restaurant policies. Okay? We will be adding Zwigato restaurant policies. Sushant, tell me what is the problem that you're facing? Others done till here? Sushant, tell me what is your problem? I'll help you. Unable to see chat trigger. If you're unable to see chat trigger, try to create a new account. This generally doesn't happen because chat trigger always comes up. If you are unable to see, please create a new account. I think that will help. Okay, perfect. Perfect. So we will be adding tool. But do you guys have this document ready with you? Like Zwigato restaurant policies. Everyone ready? This document? Don't use my document. You have to make sure that this document is there in your account. So I'm sharing the link again. But it's not like you will be using this one. Please make a copy. Click on make a copy. If you are creating a copy of this one, then this copy is created in your own account. Make sure you're doing make a copy. I'm not gonna repeat this thing because this is a very trivial thing, which is Google Drive thing. So you need to make sure that this document is there in your Google Drive. Not don't use my one because my one you won't be able to see. No Padmini, no changes after claiming the credits. Okay, everyone has this ready, this document. Can I see a yes in the chat if this document is ready in your drive? Perfect, very good, very good. Ready in drive, very good, very good. Don't worry, it will take time. You just follow. So what you will do is you will click on tool. Are you guys following? You'll click on tool. Sure, Shia. So what you need to do is I have shared this particular Zwigato restaurant policies with you. Please make sure you're opening this document and creating a copy. If you click on make a copy, it will be visible in your drive only. It basically creates a copy of this one in your drive. You can name it whatever you want. Perfect. Moving ahead, what we will do is we will be adding the tool. How exactly to add that? By clicking on this plus sign. Plus, which tool do we want to add here, guys? Tell me. We want to connect a Google Doc, then which tool is the correct tool to add here? The tool name should be Google Docs tool. So we will be searching for Google Doc in the tools because we want to connect Google Doc. So I'll be choosing Google Doc. You have to make sure to log in with that account which is having this Zwigato restaurant policies document. Okay. Make sure that credential is connected to that account. If you haven't added credential again, click on create new credential and sign in with that account. Okay. I'll wait for some time. Don't worry at all, Ankush. I'll wait for you to do this sign in part. Sign in with that account which is having this particular document. I will wait for 2 minutes for this. 2 minutes time I will give you. Sign in with this account. Is account connected, guys? Right? Connected if your account is connected. Yes? Is account connected for everyone? I will repeat this step. Okay, don't worry. So what I did over here is I clicked on tool. I searched for Google Doc. You have to log in with that account, which account is having this Vigato restaurant policies. No, no, I am not able to connect in spite of signing it with same account. I think it will be able, you will be able to see something like this, right? My Google account, something like this. Tanishq, is that right? Are you able to see my Google account here? Whichever Google account you connected with. It need not come as Geek ISM Google Docs account, guys. It need not come like this. It need not come like this. Tanishq, I am saying it should be showing my Google account. Whichever, you just need to sign in. When you click on new credential, just sign in with that account. Whichever account is having, whichever account is carrying that particular Zwigato restaurant policies document. Is it ready for everyone? Yes? Perfect. So what we will do is, what operation do we want to do here, guys? What operation do you want to do here? Tell me. We are doing get over here. We are doing the get operation here. So I'll be choosing get operation. I'm waiting for 2 minutes. Take your time. Take your time, guys. Take your time. Okay. Perfect. I'm moving ahead now. Everyone ready? If you click on create new credential, then you will be getting this option now. You will be getting this option. Sign in with Google. If you're not getting it, might be a case that you are not doing it correctly. Tanish, then what you can do is you can re log in maybe in that way, because I have never seen that kind of a error where sign in with Google only is not visible. Is everyone able to see sign in with Google and signed in already? Others? Yes. So Tanish, it must be some error with your this thing. Try to re-log in. Maybe that can help you. Perfect. What's the next step after this? I'll tell you. The next step after this is, once your this part is done, you have to set the operation as get. You have to set the operation as get. And what will be the URL? The URL will be this URL. Don't put my URL over here. Don't put my URL over here. You'll have to put your own URL. Whichever ID you have logged in with, you have to put that particular URL. Okay? You have to just page that URL. Operation should be get, and we are good to go. You have to name it. Name this one get policies. That's it. Super simple. Till here, I don't think so any problem should be there. Yes, you need to make sure you provide all the permissions. Tanish, you must have not provided all the permissions. That could also be an error. Very good team for pointing this up. Perfect, guys. What is the final thing that we need to do in all the AI agent setup? What is the final thing we do? Got it now? Very good, Kanchan. What is the final thing we do for setting up an AI agent? Last thing we do is system message. So I will double click it. Very good, Tanishq. You have also got it. So what's the final thing we do? We write system prompt. Everyone agree? Once this whole thing is done, we will just have to add the system prompt. I will double click on AI agent. I will click on add option. Okay, everyone following? System message. Yes. And over here, you just need to write, you have to use get policies tool in order to answer customer queries. related to policy. Is this clear, guys? This is the prompt that I have written. Perfect. Yes. The last thing we will be doing is testing our tool. So I will clear up this session and I'll write a hi. What is my refund policy? Let's see if it is working or not. It is perfectly working fine, and we have finally got the results of our refund policy as well. Okay, perfect. Great, 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 guys. Okay. You can do it in your machine. It will take some time. Try to go through this. You will be getting the recording as well. And do one more thing that I want to add over here, that in tomorrow's session, I will be explaining this whole workflow again as a refresher. I will be explaining this whole workflow again as a refresher. So for those of you who were not able to follow till here, I will make sure that I show this whole thing to you guys tomorrow again or not. How many of you want a small refresher before tomorrow's session? How many of you want that? I will be showing you all the steps, Raman. I will make sure that each and every friend of mine over here is able to do this. Could be right now you might have missed some step or something like that, but we will be doing a 5 minutes revision of the whole thing again tomorrow as well. Okay. So this is how we have completed till here. Bonus, again tomorrow I will be showing by setting up the whole sheets. Okay. So please, 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 everyone will be joining tomorrow's session. Yes. Write a yes in chat. Perfect, perfect. Now I have just one request. We have to time box this, which is the reason why I'll have to stop here, because all the sessions needs to be time boxed, which is the reason why I'll make sure that whatever is missed we'll be covering tomorrow as well. I would just request one thing, guys. Please, please, please make sure that you guys fill the feedback form. A feedback form will be given to you in the chat screen. Will you be filling the feedback form for me? If you like the session, please rate it 5, because this is the project feedback form. Okay, not for the session. This is for the project and like a whole thing. So please, please, please make sure you fill it, because your feedback means a lot to me. It makes sure to keep me motivated. So if you like the session, please, please, please shower your love through the feedback. Okay, please make sure to fill the feedback form, guys, and I will be sharing my LinkedIn profile as well with you guys. Just give me a minute. Okay, my LinkedIn profile, right? I'll be sharing with you. Guys, please make sure to fill the feedback form. Here you go. Here is my LinkedIn profile. If you're getting error, I'll make sure that that is answered to you in tomorrow's session. I'll try to cover as much as possible. Thank you so much, everyone. Please make sure to fill the feedback form. Your feedback is very much essential to me. If you like the session, please rate it 5. Thanks, everyone. Thank you. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye for the day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thanks, everyone. Please make sure to fill the feedback form.